Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by running an elevated shell so Chocolatey can modify system locations. First, enable a temporary execution policy with set execution policy bypass scope process force. This lets the installer run without changing system defaults. Make sure TLS1. 2 is active so downloads succeed and verify. Any T is available because some packages depend on it. Once those checks pass, paste the official Choco install command into the admin shell and press enter. You're initiating the package manager now. You'll now install and manage packages. Use Choco install package Y to automate confirmations. This saves time when scripting multiple tools. Once installed, run Choco list low to see what's present locally, and Choco upgrade all to bring everything current. If you want clearer feedback, enable the download progress feature with Choco feature. Enable N show download progress so you can watch large files transfer. Make sure to run the shell as admin when installing system-level apps. Otherwise, permission errors will interrupt the process. You finish by cleaning up and confirming success. Run Choco outdated to list packages with updates, then Choco upgrade package or Choco upgrade all to complete maintenance. If a package installation fails, collect more detail with Choco DV to produce debug and verbose logs that reveal network or script errors. Make sure to reopen an elevated shell and temporarily disable or configure antivirus if it blocks installer helpers. This single troubleshooting step resolves many failures and gets Chocolatey running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.